Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have a batch of neutral cards to share with you today, and this came together so fast. I have this new vintage tile 3D embossing folder from Altenew. If you know me or watch my videos, you know I am a sucker for these things, and they keep coming out with gorgeous designs, and I can't contain it. I have to have them. So here I'm going to make a quick batch of 4 cards using these neutral card stocks. And here's a photo of the finished card. You can see I made them with a variety of different sentiments. So this would be great for masculine cards or cards for anybody. Or honestly, I think this would make a really nice gift for like a card set to give to someone, maybe a little hostess gift or a teacher gift or just something for your friends. So these beautiful detailed designs really work with pretty much any occasion. You could even give this as a gift set without the sentiments attached, and then they could pick and choose, like maybe put a little foam strip of adhesive with the backer still on it and put it in the package, and then they can slap the sentiment down on the color card that they want. So here are the 4 panels. I ran them through off screen. These are just 4 different panels of various different random cardstocks. And now I attached them to these card bases of heavyweight cardstock in A2 size, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You can see the panels go all the way to the edge. Another option, you could, cut the panels down so they're slightly smaller with like a stitched edge rectangle die or something like that. But I just really wanted them to cover the whole card front. And now I'm just looking through my label sentiments here. I have a binder here. These are baseball card pockets. I store a bunch of stamps and sentiment strips, all sorts of things in this one particular binder. I do have another one with like die cut word sentiments, like standalone die cuts, and then I have another one for my critters, so like stamped and colored out fussy cut critters all ready to go. So this is a way that I'm able to save time just to kind of do these different steps and have all these components ready to go. And I was literally able to pull these together in just a few minutes, probably less than 10 minutes, honestly, for all of these. So I put some of these really cool resin droplets down on it. The glue's a little bit wet here, but you could see in the pictures it dries clear. And I added these sentiment strips with foam tape. So that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And I got 4 beautiful neutral 3D embossed cards ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, and I will catch you next time. Bye.